Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Ocean Market. Chef Anthony here, getting ready to work with you with some jalapeno poppers. Kind of a different thing. Started with a conversation with one of our employees, and it's kind of a fun thing about food. It's just kind of grown from there. So what we're going to start with is our mixing bowl, some claw meat from the crab, some cream cheese, some of our in-house pimento cheese, bacon, parsley, salt and pepper, panko, and obviously our jalapenos. You can see we've cut them differently. They're like boats. We're not going to wrap the jalapeno with the bacon and put it on the grill or fry it in the deep fat fryer. We're going to actually load it in the boat, and then we're going to bake them, and then if we need to finish broiling them, then we'll broil them to finish, okay? So let's get started. So we're going to have some of our pimento cheese. I'm going to put about 5 or 6 ounces in here. Then about 5 or 6 ounces of cream cheese. Just go ahead and get that right in there. And we're going to start working that together. Back of a spoon is a perfect little vessel or little tool for this. Just keep working that spoon and that jalapenos together. All right, now we've got the mix going on right here. We're going to add a little bit of bacon because you can't have a jalapeno popper without some bacon. So we're at about 3 tablespoons of bacon, a little bit of parsley, about a tablespoon of parsley, a little salt and pepper, and we're just going to combine that again till it's combined. Now we're going to add some of our crab meat, and this is just like the claw crab meat. This is the least expensive of all the crab meats, and most times the least shelly. So we've taken the jalapeno and we've just cut it the length of the jalapeno, like so. Seed the jalapeno, like so. Tap the seeds out, and there's our jalapeno boat. And then we're basically just going to go ahead and load the boats. And once we got the boats loaded, we'll sprinkle with some more bacon, a little bit of our breadcrumb mixture, and we'll get them in the oven. We want to cook them really hot, 500 degrees for about 12 minutes. And then we're going to check them and see if we need to broil them. So the final step here, or the second to final step here, is going to be adding the breadcrumbs to the top. It's going to give us a nice golden brown when they're finished cooking. A little depth and structure to them. We're going to give a little bit of oil to those. So we have a little bit of oil here. We're just going to drizzle right across the top, guys. And then from here, straight into the oven. Now we've got our jalapenos on our cookie sheet. We're going to open up the oven here. Go ahead and fire them 500 degrees for about 12 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 12 minutes, so now we're going to check on our jalapenos. Oh, they look beautiful. All right, straight from the oven right here to the plate. And put a little fresh parsley right on top. A couple drops of lemon juice.